If you're experiencing account sync issues in Rocket League, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and speed up the sync process. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC players, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting temporary files. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your account. Go to the settings in Rocket League, find the account management section, and follow the prompts to unlink and then link your account again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issue in Rocket League. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.